sa table natin.
Ay, na-practice na po natin sila. So sana bukas successful. Magandang araw sa ating lahat mga kuya, Ate Busto and Friends of Eagles. Nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Clark, para mag-orient at syempre umattend na rin at mag-host sa event or sa chartering at induction ng new members under Central Luzon Region 52 under Kuya Gov Don Lopez. So samahan nyo kami sa ating gagawin ngayon at enjoy natin ito moment.
While the virtue of our vested upon me, being one of the board of trustees of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, and one of the National Field Director, I now officially call this orientation seminar to order. Let me introduce myself, Ako nga po pala si Eagle Boy J.M. Llanes. My real name before is J.M. Juan. Sad to say, nung ako po ay nag-take ng leto ng board exam for teacher at nakapasa, first time kumuha ng NSO, wala pa naman bigyan. Ang nakalagay lang pala sa aking birth certificate ay Boy Llanes. Buti na lang, no? Kasi kung nalaman ko na Boy ang pangalan ko, limwa na ng grade 1, hanggang college, malamang nabuli ako. Boy! Diba? Huwag po kayo mag-alala, Boy po talaga to, 4 na po ang anak ko. Pag makulit kayo, papakita ko to. Yung gulo ginawakan ko, kumatos pa ngayon. Nagastos ako pa sa hospital, biro lang. Ang una, sabihin mo po, brotherhood. Brotherhood. Siyempre, kailangan natin ito para makatulong tayo sa sabay-sabay. And next, friends of all people. Ito, universal handshake po ito, tanggap ito ng lahat. Pakilala sa babae, sa boss, o basta kaibigan, tanggap ng lahat ito, kahit saan kayo magpunta ng universal handshake. Pangatlo, sa dibdib. Love of God and love to our country. Kabayo ko. Okay? So yun na, ano to? Brotherhood. Sige kuya, huwag ka mag-alala ng antibiotics. Friends of all people, respect, love to our God and love to our country. Pero yung learning na nakuha nyo kahit paano, yun po yung magiging po natin.
Ayun, so tapos na ang ating orientation. So mag-ready na, mag-change outfit ako para naman sa ating hosting ng ating garawing chartering induction ng CLR 52. Let's go! Okay, ayan na, in a few minutes, mag-start ang ating program. So samahan niyo po ang inyong Kuya J.M. Llanes, ang inyong ating mandarigit, mag-host tayo. At syempre gagawin nating meaningful ang kanilang event dahil graduation nila to or kanilang chartering induction. Let's go!
By virtue of power vested in me as the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated for the Eagle Year 2024, I hereby declare that the chartering and induction of new members under Kapit Bisig, Central Luzon Region 52 is now called to order.
You shall now become a qualified Eagle member or so-called Kuya and Ate of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. Let us not forget that being an eagle, let us look our fellow Kuya and Ate at each other with the eyes of compassion rather than the eyes of condemnation. If you are decided and committed to join the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated? Please answer me loud and clear. Yes, we are. I will repeat. Are these all clear applicants? Yes, we are. Are these all clear applicants?
In a few minutes, you will now become a bona fide member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated. You have been charged accordingly to your duties and responsibilities being a member of our fraternity. I hope that after this chartering and induction, you have to perform your duties and responsibilities for the betterment of our brotherhood. Congratulations po.
Congratulations, mga kuya and ate. You are now a bona fide Eagle member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
As the National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, for the Eagle Year 2024, I hereby present this charter grant to Kapit Bisig Unang Sigaw Bayani, Novo Isahano Eagles Club, and Kapit Bisig Magaleños Eagles Club through the charter president, Eagle Ramon Cicelio, and June Tanglao, to be accepted and affiliate to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated.
Mga kuya, ate bunso, and Reds of Eagles, please give them a round of applause. To the newly installed club, the Kapit Bisig Unang Sigaw Bayaning Novo Isahano Eagles Club and Kapit Bisig Magaleños Eagles Club. As of 3:07 this afternoon, you are the youngest club of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Mabuhay Makina! Mabuhay Makina! President of Marias,
for the eagle toast as a symbol of unity and oneness. Okay? Yung pang mga puli-puli nyo yung mga bata. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay ang Águila!
Dito na nga nagtatapos ang ating chartering induction ng CLR52 sa newly inducted members sa club, mga president. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa inyo. Kita-kita ulit tayo sa ating mga national events at syempre sa inyong mga chartering induction. Kaya Jem Yames, Aguilar Regid, mabuhay kayo at mabuhay tunay tapat na Aguilar.